In this video, I'll use a custom application to evaluate the linear static stress in a hip stem implant based on an ASTM standard. I'll begin by selecting the Hip Implant Analysis app. The inputs of the app are designed to be straightforward. First, I need to select a geometry file for the hip stem simulation. Next, I'll define Young's modulus and Poisson's ratio of the implant material. Note that the app has already supplied default material properties based on the validation study included in the ASTM standard. Next, I'll define the boundary conditions for the simulation. Note that the app includes customized context help to guide users of the app who may not be experts in simulation. Based on the guidance provided by the context help, I'll define the location of the load, the location of the support, the driver hole location, and I'll also select a target accuracy and execute the solution. Once the solution is complete, I can review the results created by the app. Principal stress results are reported for the full model, the driver hole, and potting level locations. The app also allows me to easily toggle between the display of the first principal stress in the full model, at the potting level, and also at the driver hole. With ANSYS AIM, you can easily create custom applications to streamline simulation workflows and capture engineering simulation best practices. Thank you for watching this demonstration of ANSYS AIM.